Do you want your pictures to look something like this when you post them to Instagram? Today I'm going to show you how you could make this picture go from this to this. Stay tuned. Welcome to Nidaros Media's YouTube channel. My name is Anita and today I'm going to show you how you could edit your photos with only using your phone. And here are the 3 different apps we're going to use today. The first one you're going to start with is Photoshop. So to do that I'm going to find a picture I want to edit. I like this one. So I'm going to upload it right here to Photoshop. There we go. As you can see down below, you can see all the different menus of things we could do with the picture. Here on the first one you could actually see the filter settings. I'm on normal. You could change it to autumn, you could change it to summertime, wintertime, whatever you like. The second one, you could put in small light flares, you could put in bokeh. I want to keep the picture as it is, so I'm going to go to the crop, and you can see here we have different kind of alternatives to use. I like the Instagram one because I'm going to post it to Instagram, so it's going to crop my picture like this. This looks good. To make a change, just go further on with the other tools you could use. So here you can see corrections, sharpness, split tone, anything. I actually like this picture as it is, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just check if I need to do anything else. In this picture my kid has no red eyes, so I don't need to use this correction. Just to see how the picture looked from before, like this, and this is after. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna push next. And here I could see I could either put it on Instagram, I could send it on Facebook, or I could just download it to my gallery. But I want to send it to my Lightroom, like this. Now that's done, gonna go to Lightroom, open it up. So here you can see the library. I'm gonna see all my photos here. Here is the photo I'm gonna edit. On the top you can see the edit. You can also put in info about the picture. You can put in the title and copyright. Here you get information about the picture, when it was taken, what kind of camera. So I'm gonna keep it like that. Go back this to edit. We have different kind of tools down here. We have selective, so you could actually remove stuff, or you could find some spot in the picture you actually could make brighter. You could even change the color of stuff. We have light. Here you can see my exposure. Let me see here. So now I'm gonna open Lightroom. So here you can see my library. As of now I'm just gonna import the picture, push add. Successfully imported. So go to all my photos, and here we have the photo I'm gonna use. So in this app you could actually change the information on the picture. You could put in the title and copyright information. You can even put in what kind of camera you used, and you could see the date it was taken. I'm not going to do anything with this now. Going on edit again. Here is the menu for editing in Lightroom. You have selective tool. You could actually change certain part of the picture by just using this tool. I'm not going to do that now. You have healing. If you have some broken spots, like some of the snow is too white or it's too gray, you could use this healing brush to remove that. Crop. If you can see, this picture is fairly straight. I'm gonna just do some smaller adjustments here. looks great. Profiles, here I have my favorites, so I'm gonna use number 8. It's kind of it's darker and you have more of the shadows in. It's this one. Auto, then the program is just gonna take your picture and put it the best auto settings for it. Here you could adjust the exposure, you could adjust contrast, highlights, shadows, anything you want. On the color side, I like that the picture is in the colder spot because it's in the winter time, so I'm gonna keep it as it is. Effects, I'm gonna push the texture a bit like that and add the vignettes on the sides. So we go down here, you see the darker edges in the picture. You also have optics, you could actually correct the lens if you had the picture taken with a DSLR. I'm not gonna change anything. Geometry, you could actually change how the picture was taken. So if we distort, you see we could zoom a bit out. We could even rotate the picture. This. The presets, I don't have any presets as of this, I don't have any presets for this phone, but I used to have a lot of presets, but I like the matte one. But now I'm just gonna post this one on Instagram, so I'm not gonna use anything. That's good. And to actually upload it, we go on this one. We could create a presets of what the changes I've done to the picture. Like this. I'm gonna name it Snow. Check. And then I'm gonna save it to my device. So it's exported successfully. Like that. So going back to my gallery, and I go down to albums and down to Lightroom, and here you can see the final product. So this one I would like to share on Instagram, so I'm gonna upload it to my stories like this. This is how we easily could post stuff into Instagram from Lightroom. And the last app today is VSCO. This is a new one for me. It opened right up. Here you can see it's almost like the reel on Instagram. I'm just gonna go into the studio, upload a picture. Let me see, I'm gonna take the ice cream picture, import, and I want to edit it, so I go to the edit tool, and here you can see filters. I don't have any favorites as of now, but this is the tools. You could add text, contrast, exposure, everything you could do in Photoshop and Lightroom. The cool thing with this one is I could do sharpen, I could do the exposure, put it a bit down like this, even add a fun filter, this one. If you push the history button, you could actually see everything you have done with the picture. That's kind of cool. When I'm done, I'm gonna click next. Here I could actually add captions or hashtag to the picture. I could post it directly to VSCO, almost like the Instagram account, almost like Instagram, and I could even save it to my device. So I'm gonna save it to device and post it on VSCO, like this. It's an easy app. I'm not familiar with it. I tried it a few times. You could actually buy a membership, get a lot of more presets. You could get some video editing tools, advanced tools to just edit your pictures. But for the free version, I think it's pretty good. Take some time to get to know it, but I highly recommend. So if you want to do easy adjustments, use Photoshop. I highly recommend to use Lightroom if you want to change the exposure and stuff to your pictures before you post them on Instagram. And if you like the community feeling of an app, I would highly recommend VSCO. For me, my favorite is Lightroom due to all the possibilities. If you like this kind of video, push the like button, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna post videos every other week. Push the notification bell to get notified when we put anything up. See you guys.